This morning I tried to remote start my Ferrari and it didn't recognize the key. I tried to start it manually. Dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Error codes everywhere. I jump it with my girlfriend's Hellcat. Still dead. At this point, I'm thinking it needs a flux capacitor or I gotta jump start it with my bare hands like Kevin Gates. Take the battery to AutoZone. They say, yeah, it's an AGM battery. Our machine doesn't speak Ferrari.
Huh?
So I buy a new battery, and the price hurt my feelings, but the Ferrari started up with no problem.